Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a very popular childhood favorite, and this one is for Sucka bag. Today I'm making a coconut flavor, so stay tuned if you'd like to see how to make this. I'm sure it's going to bring back a lot of memories. So to make this, I prefer using fresh coconut milk, and I'm going in with 3 cinnamon sticks. Next, I'm going to go in with custard powder, which is not optional, you really need it. Now goes in some sweetened condensed milk. Feel free to add as much or as little condensed milk as you like. Now goes in some coconut essence, and we're going to mix that until the condensed milk and the custard dissolves. Once it dissolves, we're going to move it onto our stovetop on a medium-low heat. We want to cook this for about 10 minutes. Want to make sure that custard powder is cooked through. And we're going to go in now with some coconut milk powder. Now this does make a big difference in the taste, so I suggest that you add it unless you really didn't want to. So mix that in and just allow it to cook for about 2 more minutes, after which you'll take it off. Now pour it into a container that you can place it into your fridge. You want this to cool down and you want it to chill. Leave the cinnamon sticks in there, it will continue to flavor it. Now once it is finished chilling, you're going to empty it into your bags. Now I've placed my bags into a glass to help stabilize it. All you're going to do now is pick it up and make a knot on the top. You want to make sure that the knot is nice and tight and secure so that it does not leak through the bags. And if you guys are wondering, I got these bags in Trinidad in the supermarket. They tend to have a lot of various sizes, so you can always try there. Continue to fill the bags until you've filled out all of them. You can add as much or as little of the milk mixture as you like in each bag. Make sure it's secured properly, tied really well. Now place them all in a tray and place it in your freezer overnight. Once it's set, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, the Sucka bag is finished. It's nice and frozen, and if you guys know anything about Sucka bag, what you do is bite a little piece of this tip off, and then you allow it to soften a little bit, and then you just suck the milk through that hole here. It's so delicious, and if you guys have never had it, you need to try this recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I have a soursop one coming up also. I'm going to try to do as much flavors as I can for you all. It's really easy to make. Once you have a nice milk base and you put your flavorings, fill it into a bag and freeze. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.